Alright guys, thought I'd make a video of my little project I've been working on for a little while here. This is an old school go-kart. Not sure the year, not sure the make. It's a little beat up, but what I did was I got one of these Honda Predator 2012 cc motors from Harbor Freight. Put that on there. The governor's still hooked up, stock exhaust, stock jetting, all that stuff. Just passed braking and I took it out for a little whip. And I just wanted to show you guys the top speed. 46 miles an hour I hit on this thing. It's kind of scary because the brakes don't work at all in the rain because they're friction brakes. But I'll try to start it for you guys right now. We'll go for a little ride. Planning on selling it today, so probably the last time I get to ride it. It just was running, so. The idle's a little high, but what are you gonna do? Alright, let's go. You know the best part about this thing though? It does donuts like nothing. Let's do one right now. Take it kinda easy because it is wet out. Let's go for a top speed.